You're almost 4. Grab it right here. There you go.
I knew. Look at this.
Wow. What is it?
Do you like it? Is that a kick?
Mermaid.
Is that a kickboard?
Yeah.
Like you used yesterday and the other day at the
Yeah,
pool?
and I have black goggles.
Yeah.
And what is
That's a special container to keep your keys or money or anything you want to keep
Special
your eye
in there.
Stuff to keep your eye in there.
Are you happy? Can I see your face? Happy birthday! Almost 4! Put your... Yay!